A battery of EMF 10 volt is connected across a 1 meter long uniform wire having resistance 10 ohm per meter. Two cells of EMF 2 volt and 4 volt having internal resistance 1 ohm and 5 ohm respectively are connected as shown in the figure. If a galvanometer shows no deflection at point P, find the distance of the point P from A. Okay. First of all, before we do that, before we find out the deflection, let us first find out the potential gradient of the wire. Potential gradient of the wire is simply given by I into sigma, okay, where sigma is resistance per unit length and I is the total current flowing through the wire. So in order to find out the value of I will be equal to E divided by capital R plus small r plus RH. EMF over here of the wire is equal to 10 volt. The external resistance, the resistance of the wire, okay, potentiometer wire is equal to 10 ohm per meter. So the length of the wire is equal to 1 meter. So it is equal to 10. The internal resistance of the cell is not given. I will assume it to be 0. The rheostat resistance or the external resistance connected over here is equal to 10. So this will come out to be 1 by 2. Okay, 10 by 20, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the current flowing in the wire. The resistance per unit length of the wire, it is equal to half. Okay, resistance per unit length is equal to 10. So this will be equal to 5 volt per meter. Okay, this is the potential gradient of the wire. Okay, we will use this value later. We have to find out the deflection or the point at which the P balances. Now first of all, if there is no current flowing through the galvanometer, if the galvanometer current over here is equal to 0, that is Ig over here is equal to 0, I can say that for this circuit or for this combination of circuit, this is equal to 1 ohm, this is equal to over here 2 volt, this is 4 volt, and this over here is equal to 5 ohm. Okay. For this given circuit, since there is no current flowing out, I can say that if the current over here, the current over here is equal to I, the same current will flow through the rectangular loop only. Okay, since there is no current in the galvanometer, I can say that the current flows in the loop only. So let me apply the Kirchhoff's law. Let this be equal to A, B, C and D. Let me apply the Kirchhoff law in the loop A, B, C, D. Okay, in the loop A, B, C, D, it will be equal to negative 2 volt, since we are going from the positive to the negative potential of the battery. It will be equal to negative I, 1 into I is equal to 1 I, negative 5 into I, which is equal to negative 5I, okay, plus 4 will be equal to 0. So this will come out to be 6I will be equal to 2, or I will be equal to 1 by 3. Okay, this is the total current flowing in the circuit. Okay, now this galvanometer balances against point B. It means that the potential over here, if the potential is V, the same potential is balanced at this point. Okay, so we have to find out the potential along these 2 points. Okay, in order to do that, let the potential be equal to V, AB. Okay, we can take the circuit above or at the circuit at the bottom. Okay, so when I consider the circuit above, it will be equal to negative 2. Okay, it will be equal to negative I into 1, which is equal to negative I will be equal to negative VAB. Okay, so potential across this point will be equal to potential across this point, which is equal to negative 2 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3, which over here will be equal to 7 by 3. This is the potential difference across point AB. Now using the potential gradient is equal to V divided by L. The potential gradient of the wire is equal to 5. The potential developed over here is equal to 7 by 3 into L. So L will be equal to 7 by 15. If you calculate this value, roughly it will come out to be 46.67 centimeter. Okay, if I convert it into, first if I find out in meter, it will be equal to 0.46 meter, or it will approximately be equal to 46 centimeter. Okay, so the balancing length of the wire will be equal to 46 centimeter. So the distance between point A and P will be equal to 46 centimeter in this given sum.